Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I made a sweet potato soup, which is ideal for both adults and children. This is one of my weight loss soups, which is also loved by my daughter. Interestingly, she doesn't like seeing vegetables in her food, and so this is one of the ways I get her to eat a lot of vegetables. Okay, so let's go through the ingredients and get started. These are the sweet potatoes. I've got my tomatoes, the bell peppers, carrots, aubergine, my ginger and garlic, and then the onions. I've also got my mushroom, and then I have the 5 mackerel that I'll be using for the soup. These are my chopped vegetables ready to be boiled. As you can see, all my ingredients are in there. I'm just going to leave them to boil, and once they cool down, I'll blend them for my soup. This is one of the soup that I make anytime I'm going on a long fast. The sweet potatoes makes it a little bit heavier. It's all done now. I usually boil it for about 30 to 45 minutes before blending. I've just finished blending the vegetables together with the sweet potatoes. So this is how it looks. This is probably the quickest soup I'm going to be making because it's already boiled. The vegetables has already been boiled, so it's already cooked. And all I'm going to do is to add my fish and also my spices, and literally we'll be done. Okay, so the soup is beginning to boil, so I'll add my fish at this point, and then I'll add my onions as well. Okay, so I'm gonna add 2 fish stock cubes and then 2 vegetable stock cubes, black pepper. I have different ways of cooking my vegetable soup, so please check my channel for the different methods. This one is probably the quickest one because I've had a long day and I'm quite tired, so I don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. The soup is done. My sweet potato soup. It's very nice. Anytime we make this soup, it doesn't last. It finishes within a few days. So this is how it looks. Come dine with us. The way is to eat with the fish. Eat your food. You like the fish. Eat your food. Yeah, you like it. You like the soup. What do you like about the soup?
I like it when I want fish in there.
When there is fish in there?
Yes.
Okay, so you like the fish.
Yeah.
Do you know that what I use for the soup? I use vegetables and sweet potatoes.
Oh, is there sweet potatoes in there?
Yeah, there's sweet potatoes in there. See, it tastes nice. It tastes sweet. I've blended it. You can't see it. It's part of the soup.
It's part of the soup.
Yeah. Thank you. You're the one who have enjoyed this food the most.
Don't eat the food.
I shouldn't eat the food. Why not? Is it for you alone?
No.
But you can't finish it, yeah?
No, you don't need to eat it.
I don't need to eat it?
No.
Okay, so what are you going to do with the rest?
In my way.
Huh?
In my way.
Oh, tomorrow you will eat it. Okay, that's good.